sweet orange, warm cinnamon, and the creamiest layers of cheesecake-like cream come together in these parfaits. For this recipe, we'll need oranges and mandarins. First, zest your mandarins. You can add zest to your yogurt too for extra flavor. Next, peel mandarins and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. This makes dessert easier to eat. Set them aside for now. If you don't have fresh mandarins, you can use mandarin oranges instead. We're going to start with orange custard. Pour freshly squeezed orange juice into a saucepan. Add lemon juice, honey or maple syrup, and cornstarch. Give everything a good whisk to dissolve cornstarch. Cook this over medium heat, stirring until mixture comes to a gentle boil and thickens into smooth, glossy custard. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add chopped mandarins, cover the saucepan, and let custard cool completely. For the cream, use cream cheese softened to room temperature for smooth, creamy texture. Add cinnamon and we'll use molasses, about 2 tablespoons. Of course, you can add more and adjust it to your taste. For the cream, best to use mixer. Beat everything until smooth and creamy. Make sure to stop to scrape down the sides of a bowl as needed. Continue mixing for a few more minutes until cream cheese is softened and well blended with cinnamon before adding yogurt. Add yogurt and beat just until combined. Yogurt can separate and become watery, so try not to overmix it. The finished cream should have a thick, spreadable texture similar to peanut butter. Not too stiff, not too thin. Optionally, but highly recommended, transfer this cream to a pastry bag with M1 star tip. That for piping rosettes. Of course, you can simply spoon this cream over custard, but we both know presentation matters, and it's what makes desserts look elegant. Using about 6 ounces individual serving cups, the ones that I'm using are simple coffee cups. Spoon about 3 to 4 tablespoons of orange custard into each serving cup. If you're using pastry bag, pipe beautiful cream rosettes on top and finish with a sprinkle of fresh mandarin zest. Serve and enjoy these parfaits chilled or at room temperature. These orange custard cream parfaits are one of those easy, elegant desserts that always impress, and they're perfect for making ahead. Enjoy your new recipe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
So good.